My goodness, come on and eat. You're invited to my table. You see the baby carrots, all the ingredients that I have shown you in the previous video. And now I'm going to scoop this for you and me and all of us. I'm going to put this in our little bowl. Wow, yum for you and me and all of us. Merry Christmas, happiest of New Year's 2026, and moving forward to each one of us. Potatoes, cheese, carrots, peas, oh my. You and me and all of us. This is absolutely super delicious. You're gonna love this, as I do. And now we're gonna transfer this in our waiting plate, and with my mom's cookbook, as you can see. And I'm going to, wow, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026, and moving forward. Cheese, Wagyu beef, Kaldereta, for you and me and all of us. Yummiest. I'm going to put this in our plate with our jasmine aromatic rice, salad, and our strawberries. And I'm so excited. And excuse me, please. Cucumber, of course. Let's have a tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, raisins, for you and me and all of us. Wow, just perfect. And we have the Wagyu beef there. Oh my goodness. This is super yum. And then we're gonna add some cheese. Sprinkle some cheese there. Wow, just perfect, isn't it? But first, we're gonna bless our food as my beloved mom and dad, beloved parents have trained us. As you can see, we are surrounded with some of my 22 books, The Rose and the Tilma. When I traveled to Mexico, my mom and I traveled worldwide, as well as my mom and dad and all my siblings and their families. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, And let's bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food, make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And that's from I am God too, because I'm God. Book by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED and MSED. You'll find at my website, JuanitaGutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED and MSED.com. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. And let me stabilize my camera here. And since it's still hot, I'm going to invite you first to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, at www.allfreshseafood.com. They have wild-caught seafoods and steaks and more, or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-833-GOT-CRAB, and you get a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, as a coupon code. Thank you for your support. My beloved parents used to own a huge fishing boat named after St. Anthony because they were saved by St. Anthony. My mom is a devotee, excuse me please, of St. Anthony, and I wrote all the miracles in this my book, Missing People, Animals, Things, Go to Anthony, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and that's St. Anthony with the baby Jesus, Christmas birthday, and every day is our birthday according to Synod Master Jesus or Sananda. We have to celebrate the birth of Christ in all of us. We're all gods and goddesses indeed. And this my book is available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you. And come on and eat. I know you're already excited. And we are going to enjoy this with the sparkling blush, non-alcoholic. It's just a cherry concentrate. Cheers to you and me and all of us for long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love and light, this happiest of New Year's 2026 and moving forward. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays to all of us. And this is your fork and spoon. And let me focus on our camera so that we could, oh my goodness, wow, I don't know where to start. Let's start. For you and me and all of us, yum, yes. The taste of all the spices, the Wagyu beef, and the cheese. Oh my goodness. Let's have our jasmine aromatic rice. You're going to eat a lot of rice when you have this Wagyu beef Kaldereta with cheese for you and me and all of us. Yum, yes. Delicious, super heavenly taste. Reunion all of us. Cheers for the new year. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026, and moving forward to all of us. Cheers with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love and light to us all, right now and continuously, and so it is. Wow, this is super perfect. You're gonna love this as I do. And let's have more of our cheese Wagyu beef Kaldereta. Perfect for the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. Just perfect. You're gonna love this as I do. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kain na po tayo. In English, come on and eat. In Tagalog, napakasarap. In English, super delicious. Wow. This is just absolutely one of my favorites that my mom always cooked. This is just super nutritious, super delicious. I have shown you in the previous video how to cook and enjoy this. You're gonna love this as I do. One of my favorites as well. As I have mentioned, that my mom always cooked during the holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and every day. Weddings, birthdays, graduation, baptism, anyhow you like it. Every day. Perfect. And I would like to give honor to the goddess in me, in you, and to all of us. We're all gods and goddesses, according to Ascended Master Germain. And Ascended Master Yeshua, otherwise known as Jesus, we celebrate his birthday during Christmas. But Sananda Jesus said that we should celebrate the Christ birth in all of us. It's all our birthdays. It's all humanity's birthday as Christ consciousness, that we're all gods and goddesses. Thank you as well. Love and gratitude to my beloved parents as well, my siblings and their families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And thank you in advance so that you could be updated in all my videos. This is super yum. Come on and eat. This is just perfect for the holidays, New Year's, every day. Look at that. Mouth-watering indeed. Come on and eat. You're invited to my table. This is good for all of us. And you see the bay leaf, you could toss it out as it has given the good taste and the antioxidant properties. Wow, this is just perfect. Wow. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. I always read your comments and just give me time to answer because we're in a holiday. Of course, we enjoy every day, isn't it? Happy cooking. Wow, this is just perfect. You're gonna love this society. Ooh. Wagyu beef Kaldereta. And that's that you see that I've shown in the previous video how to cook the calf liver or the beef liver. This is just super delicious. Happy cooking. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyo lahat. This is just appetizing, super flavorful, gourmet, finest Philippines cuisine. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Enjoy my beloved mom's delightful food recipes in her cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, happy cooking, and happy New Year, happy holidays in love and light and joy.